think there were more people at the front than in the last one. I don't know. This is really hard.
We're breathing a little bit hard, not too hard. All of us are quick. That's right, it's so worth it. So very worth it. Here we go.
A lot, man. I started my head at the end too, so a little bit more.
Almost at the top of the hill.
That's right, that's right. We're going to keep moving, guys. Slowly but surely. We've got a message, we've got a message.
Yeah. First of March.
Mandate's gone.
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 First of March.
Here we go. Mandate's gone.
First of March.
Yes, mandate's gone.
First of March.
Mandate's gone.
First of March.
Mandate's gone.
First of March.
Mandate's gone.
Hey, hey, ho, ho. Mandates need to go. Hey, hey.
Ho, ho.
Mandates gotta go. Hey, hey, ho, ho. Mandates need to go.
I said hey, hey.
Ho, ho. Mandates need to go. Hey, hey, ho, ho. Mandates need to go. Hey, hey,
ho, ho.
mandates need to go.
I said hey, hey.
Ho, ho. Mandates need to go.
I said hey, hey.
Ho, ho. Mandates need to go.
I said hey, hey.
Ho, ho. Mandates need to go.
I said hey, hey.
Ho ho! Mandates need to go!
Louder! Hey,
Hey
hey!
hey! Ho ho!
Mandates need to go! I said hey, hey!
Ho ho!
Mandates need to go! I said hey, hey!
Ho ho!
Mandates need to go! I said hey, hey!
Ho ho!
Mandates need to go! Yes! Hey, hey!
Ho ho!
Mandates need to go! For you, sir! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Mandates need to go!
Yeah, make some noise!
Make some noise, guys!
Hey, we've got some policemen here on the bridge. We love our police force.
We are nearly at the top of the harbour bridge. That's right, we are nearly at the top of the harbour bridge. Okay, I said hey, hey.
Ho ho!
Mandates gotta go. I said hey, hey. Ho, ho.
Mandates gotta go. Ready?
Everybody, hey, hey.
Hey ho!
Mandates need to go. I said hey, hey.
Ho ho! Mandates need to go.
I said hey, hey.
Mandates need to go.
I said hey, hey.
Ho ho!
Mandates gotta go. I said hey, hey.
Ho ho!
Mandates gotta go. I said hey, hey.
Ho ho, soldiers! Mandates need to go.
I said hey, hey. Ho, ho.
Mandates gotta go.
I said hey, hey.
Ho ho! Mandates gotta go.
I said hey, hey.
Ho ho! Mandates gotta go.
I said hey, hey. Mandates gotta go. I said hey, hey. Mandates gotta go. I said hey, hey. Mandates gotta go. I said hey, hey.
Ho ho!
Mandates gotta go. I said hey, hey.
Ho ho! Mandates gotta go.
I said hey, hey.
Ho ho!
Mandates gotta go. I said hey, hey.
Ho ho!
Mandates gotta go. I said hey, hey.
Ho ho!
Mandates gotta go. I said hey, hey.
Ho ho!
Mandates gotta go. I said
Hey hey!
say hey, hey.
Ho ho!
Mandates gotta go. I said hey, hey.
Ho ho!
Mandates gotta go. I said hey, hey.
Ho ho! Mandates gotta
Everybody
go.
lift your voices.
Ho ho!
We're at the top
Mandates
of
gotta
the
go.
harbour
hey.
bridge.
That's it.
Here we go.
Make some noise. When I say mandates, you say over. Mandates.
Over.
Mandates.
Over.
When I say in the, you say mandates. In the.
Mandate.
In the.
Mandate.
When I say mandates, you say over. Mandates.
Over.
Mandates.
Over.
When I say in the, you say mandates. In the.
Mandate.
In the.
Mandate.
Yeah, make
Here
some
we go.
noise.
Make some noise. Make some
Let
noise.
Auckland City know that you're alive.
Hey, hey. Ho, ho. Mandates gotta go. I said hey, hey. Ho, ho.
Mandates gotta go.
Come on, say hey, hey. Ho, ho. Mandates gotta go. I said hey, hey. Ho, ho. Mandates gotta go. I said hey, hey.
Ho ho! Mandates gotta go.
Everybody.
Hey!
Ho, ho.
Mandates gotta go. Hey!
Ho, ho. Mandates gotta go. I said hey, hey.
Ho ho! Mandates gotta go. Nice. Yeah, make some noise. You made it to the top.
Listen up, everybody. We are family, eh? So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that our tamariki and our elderly are okay. Alright, our elderly and our tamariki, we've just climbed to the top of the harbour bridge. We just need to make sure that they're okay. Share your water safely.
Yeah!
Safely.
Awesome, brother.
Here we go.
Make some noise. Wait for the
I
crowds.
said hey, hey.
Ho ho!
Mandates gotta go. I said hey, hey.
Ho ho!
Mandates gotta go. I said hey, hey.
Ho ho!
Mandates gotta go. I said hey, hey.
Ho ho!
Mandates gotta go.
Nice. What do you want?
Freedom.
When do you want it?
Now.
over. Mandates.
Over.
Mandates.
Over.
When I say in the, you say mandates. In the.
Mandate.
In the.
Mandate.
When I say mandates, you say over. Mandates.
Over.
Mandates.
Over.
Yeah, make some noise.
Come on.
Yeah.
Yes.
We're letting Jacinda Ardern know that we're alive. We're still
right.
battling on.
That's right.
We want those mandates, all the mandates gone by
That's
the
right.
1st of March.
1st of March. This is the people. The power of the people. Can I hear you say freedom?
When I say people, you say power. People.
Power.
People.
Power.
When I say people, you say power. People.
Power.
People.
Power.
When I say people, you say power. People.
Power.
People.
Power.
Yeah, make some noise,
Yes.
everybody. Yeah.
Check up on your tamariki. Check up on your tamariki, please. And your elderly. Make sure they're safe. Make sure they're safe. God of nations at thy feet,
In the bonds of love we meet. Hear our voices
we
entreat. God defend our free
the
land.
Pacific, the Pacific, triple star, from the shores of strife and war, make her praises heard afar. God defend New Zealand. What do we want?
When do you want it? What do you want?
Freedom!
When do you want it?
Now!
It's it. 1st
Here we
of
go.
March.
Mandates gone!
1st of March.
Mandates global survey! We got
1st of
you!
March.
Mandates gone!
Let's make some noise for all your supporters. Thank you, supporters.
Yes!
Yeah. Hey, let's there's a special date that we're gonna tell them. 1st of March. 1st of March.
Everybody!
1st of March.
Everybody!
1st of March.
Here we go!
1st of March. 1st of March.
Everybody!
1st of March.
Here we go!
1st of March.
Everybody! First
of March. 1st of March. When I say mandates, you say over. Mandates.
Over!
Mandates.
Over!
When I say mandates, you say over. Mandates.
Over!
Mandates.
Over!
When I say in the, you say mandates. In the.
Mandate!
In the.
Mandate!
When I say in the, you say mandates. In the.
Mandate!
In the.
Mandate!
Nice. When I say
Yes.
people, you say power. People.
Power!
People.
Power!
When I say people, you say power. People.
Power!
People.
Power!
Yeah, that's us.
Yes.
People power today.
Here we go!
Make some noise. Just remember safety, everybody. We are a peaceful march.
At the bottom, Friday, please, as we make our way to the bottom, we need everyone on this left side. We need everyone on this left side. Our police are facilitating to help us with safety passage. So please, let's be coherent and move over to our left 2 lanes, please. We need all on the left 2 lanes as we make our way to the bottom. Please, we are all marshals. So please get everyone over to the left 2 lanes. Thank you.
What do you want?
Freedom!
When do you want it?
Now!
What do you want?
Freedom!
When do you want it?
Now!
When I say mandates, you say over. Mandates.
Over.
Mandates.
Over.
When I say people, you say power. People.
Power.
People.
Power.
When I say mandates, you say over. Mandates.
Over.
Mandates.
Over.
When I say in the, you say mandates. In the.
Mandate!
In the.
Mandate!
Nice, yes. It's us.
That's us, guys.
Wave to the cars. Enjoy the day. We're almost near.
That's right. Get to the 2 lanes.
Hey, ho, ho. Mandates need to go. Hey, ho, ho. Mandates gotta go.
I said,
Hey, ho, ho. Mandates gotta go.
I said,
Hey, ho, ho. Mandates gotta go.
Everybody.
Hey, ho, ho. Mandates gotta go.
I said,
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 Hey, ho, ho. Mandates gotta go.
I said, hey.
Ho, ho. Mandates gotta go.
I said, hey.
Ho, ho. Mandates gotta go.
I said, hey.
Ho, ho. Mandates gotta go.
Okay, wave to the left.
Yeah, there's some people out there. Give me some love. Show the people. Show the support down there. Show them some love. Make some noise.
That one's tricky. Wake up, you. Everybody, take a good day.
Yeah, we got victory yesterday in the High Court, so let's make some round of applause for our defence force and our policemen. They got it from both, so that's us collectively standing for all the nurses, all the teachers, all our community, no more masks. Every single person. That's right. And the mandate.
What's the age corrected? First one.
Mandate court! Over! Over! Power! Power! Mandate! Mandate! Over! Over!
to the bottom of the South Island. We're calling you out, and our message to you today. Our message to you today.
Did he go to the website as well?
Nice, I can hear our choir, we're a bit raspy.
That's right.
Looks like you guys have done awesome today.
I tell you what, we're going to bring home strong. We're going to bring home strong.
Yeah!
Everything that we've got, we're going to bring it home strong. Okay, what is our message today, Carl?
First of March. Mandate strong. First of March.
Mandate strong!
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 First of March.
Oh, wheelchair.
Mandate strong!
Nice. Who do you want?
Freedom!
Who do you want it?
Now!
Who do you want?
Freedom!
Who do you want it?
Now!
Nice. That's it. We want freedom. The end all sacrifice. Freedom want phases, restrictions.
Yes,
And that's us.
here we go.
Here we go. The final steps.
We are nearly there. We are nearly there. We are standing today. We are marching today. What a message. What a message for you, the government. The mandates must go. All mandates must go. End all mandates.
End all mandates.
End all mandates. End all mandates.
End all mandates.
End all mandates.
Beautiful all the time. Awesome.
We are well.
Give yourselves a big round of applause, everybody. Have a drink. And you can stick in the message. Stick in the message there. Have a stretch.
Look how far we go. Look at our people behind us.
Beautiful people. Oh, look at that. The thousands.
You just get the front of the banner now?
We're just waiting for the back to catch up.
Last day.
So you guys in the front are privileged. You can have a breather.
30 seconds and
seconds.
we're off. Make sure you've had a drink.
Now, I just want to say thank you to everybody for tuning up.
That's
this
right.
is about team. This is about unity.
Yes.
We all stand against those mandates. We've all known someone who's either been injured.
That's
We all
right.
know someone who's lost a job,
That's right.
lost a house, and that's us. We're standing for them today.
We are. We're standing for them. Back pay, back pay, back pay. Everybody, back pay, back pay. You know the government is going to pay. The government is going to pay. And we're here to tell them that. Here we go.
Hey, I just want you to take a few seconds. There's a little banner on the bridge. I don't know who dropped the banner up there, but there's a banner on the bridge to end all mandates. So if you have a look to your
Yes.
left, my right, there is a banner that's been
Yee-hoo.
dropped over there
And what
on
does
the
it say,
harbour
Carl?
bridge.
What does it say?
It says end all mandates.
Oh, I
Yeah.
think we should have a bit of a chant on that one. End all
Yes.
mandate.
So if you look to your left,
Okay, we're going to go.
we're ready to go. Okay, we're ready to go.
And look to the left as we go past the banner that's up there, mysteriously put up there
Yes.
by who knows,
Cha-cha.
and it says end all mandates.
Freedom!
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 Freedom! Freedom!
Freedom!
Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Mandates gotta go!
I'll say
Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Mandates gotta go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Mandates gotta go! Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Mandates gotta go!
everybody!
Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Mandates gotta go!
I said
Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Mandates gotta go!
I said hey, hey!
Ho, ho! Mandates
Gotta
gotta go!
go! I said hey, hey!
Ho, ho! Mandates gotta go!
I said
Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Mandates gotta go! Yeah!
Yes!
I think we're going to add someone else's name in that gotta go. Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Jacinda's gotta go!
I said
Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Jacinda's gotta go! Hey, hey!
Did you say into
Jacinda's gotta go!
And then
Hey, hey!
ho ho!
Jacinda's gotta go!
I said
Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Jacinda's gotta go! 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 Hey, that's us!
That's it, that's it.
That's the
okay.
choir today. Yeah, make some
That's
noise!
Okay,
Yay.
what we are going to do, people, listening up. We are going to be going to Fanshawe Street. So we are going to be exiting left off Fanshawe Street. Everyone say Fanshawe Street. Fanshawe Street, that's right.
So
Okay.
normally you would be driving quite fast over here.
Yay!
Yay!
Hey, here we go.
That's
Fanshawe.
us. Fanshawe Street,
Fanshawe
everybody.
Street, so we all need to move to the left. We need to move to the left. Make sure your tamariki is safe. The elderly are safe. We're going to go off at Fanshawe Street. I'm going to say that again, Fanshawe Street. For the ones up the back.
Yeah, so we're just turning left here, everybody. No Lone Rangers going off into the motorway. Otherwise, you will find yourself run over.
That's
or
right.
arrested by the police, and you don't want that.
That's right, Fanshawe Street. We're exiting off Fanshawe Street. All right.
Yeah, make some noise to all your fans out there, all the supporters. Yeah.
All right, before I set out my next instructions, everybody have a look to the left and see that beautiful big banner up there. That's right. Look at that banner. End all mandates. End all mandates.
Mandate's gone by 1st of March.
Mandates gone by 1st of March.
That's what it says.
That's what it says. Mandates gone by 1st of March.
Nice.
All right, people, we are going down Fanshawe Street.
Fanshawe Street.
Then you're going to follow the sign.
Hey, I just want to take this time to give our security and all our minders
Yes.
a big round of applause.
Yes,
Hey, sometimes they've told us what to do, but it's only for our safety.
that's right.
They're on our team, so
Okay.
yeah, we just want to give them a big round of applause. Yeah, we are one. That's it.
So we're going to go off Fanshawe Street and then we're going to merge to the right. But you will be following the sign. If you follow the
Yeah,
sign.
make some noise.
Hey!
Yay!
So off at Fanshawe Street, we're following the sign that will merge to the right. If you follow the sign, we'll get to Victoria Park. All right?
And we're gonna join. We are the choir of the Freedom Choir of
That's
Thousands.
right, that's right.
So we're gonna sing a song that you all know. So here we
That's right.
go, Izzy. God of nations, at thy feet. In the bonds of love we meet. Hear our voices, we entreat. God defend our freedom.
God Pacific.
God Pacific, triple star, from the shores of strife and war. Make her praises heard of God. God defend New Zealand.
Yes.
Yeah!
That's right. That's right.
I could kill a motorcycle again.
You can stick your vaccine mandates up your arse. You can stick your vaccine mandates up your arse. You can stick your vaccine mandates. Stick your vaccine mandates. Stick your vaccine mandates up your ass.
Everybody.
You can stick your vaccine mandates up your ass.
You on the bridge. Sing along.
You can stick your vaccine mandates up your ass. You can stick your vaccine mandates. Stick your vaccine mandates. Stick your vaccine mandates up your ass. Yeah.
Yes, that's right.
Hey,
That's
believe it or
right.
not, every business that we're passing has been affected by the mandates.
Every single one.
Every
Yes.
single business,
This is what
less
we're marching
numbers.
for.
So they've done everything right, been compliant, and they've still been rolled over.
That's
So
right.
you know what? We're standing for the businesses today too.
So we're going to be merging to the right. Just follow the sign. We're being safe. Hey ho! Hey hey! Ho ho!
Mandates gotta go. Hey hey, ho ho. Mandates gotta go.
Everybody,
Hey hey,
Almost there.
ho ho. Mandates gotta go. Hey hey, ho ho. Mandates gotta go. Hey hey, ho ho. Mandates gotta go. Hey hey, ho ho. Mandates gotta go.
Yes.
Hey hey, ho ho. Mandates gotta go.
Everybody.
Hey hey, ho ho. Mandates gotta go. Hey hey, ho ho. Mandates gotta go. That's
Everybody.
it. Hey, ho ho. Mandates gotta go.
Yes, that's
First
right.
of March.
Mandates gone.
1st of March.
Hey, mandates gone. Everybody.
1st of March.
Mandates gone.
1st of March.
Hey, mandates gone.
1st of March. 1st of March.
Everybody.
1st of March.
Go. Mandates gone.
1st of March.
Hey. Everybody.
1st of March. 1st of March. 1st of March. 1st of March.
1st of March.
Mandates gone. 1st of March.
Mandates gone.
1st of March.
Mandates gone.
1st of March.
Yes.
1st of March.
Mandates gone.
1st of March.
Mandates gone. Everybody.
1st of March.
Mandates gone.
1st of March.
Mandates gone.
When I say mandates, you say over. Mandates over. Mandates over. When I say in the, you say mandates. In the. Mandate. In the. Mandate. When I say people, you say power. People.
Power. People.
When
Power.
I say in the, you say mandates. In the.
Mandates. In the mandates.
Yeah. Give yourselves a big round of applause.
Yes. Mandates go. Here we go.
First of March.
Hey.
Mandates go.
Hey.
First of March. Mandates go.
Here we go.
First of March.
Hey.
Mandates go.
Here we go.
First of March.
Hey.
Mandates go. First of March.
Hey. Here we go.
First of March.
Yeah.
First of March.
Here we go.
First of March.
Yeah.
First of March. First of March.
Hey. First.
Of March. First of March. First of March. First of March. First of March.
Follow the sign.
Okay, we're heading over to here.
Now be careful as
To
you
your
are.
left.
Just
Here we
be
go.
careful as we go through. Watch your tamariki. Watch your tamariki and the elderly. Be careful. Watch there. Just watch yourselves. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Watch your tamariki.
Back to the left, everybody.
The family.
To your left.
Here we go.
First of March. Mandates go. First of March. Mandates go. First of March.
but all for the purpose of our freedoms, ending the mandates by the 1st of March. Again, give yourself a big round of applause, whānau. Again, as we welcome the rest of our entourage, please pick yourself a seat amongst the grass. It's proudly sponsored by you and I, the taxpayers. So whānau, you are more than welcome to plant yourself. Let's have a picnic. But we have a few speakers coming up to address the crowd, coming up to bring purpose as to why we have just done that. Hydrate up, high fives all around. And today we are the Freedom Family. What do we want? When do we want it? What do we want? You know what, whānau? I heard some of you say water. So grab a water, get hydrated, and we'll get ready in about 10 minutes to bring to you our next speaker. So again, that is us. We have made our mark, but let's finish off in the manner by way of our couple of speakers that will address the crowd and then give us direction, because end the mandates by this coming March the 1st, not 2025, but 2022. So again, whānau, today you have made history. So we'll see you all shortly. Enjoy your water.